In front of me the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 clone, and I'll show you how to change the wallpaper. So to get started, hold your finger on the screen, like so, and choose wallpapers on the bottom. Okay, and from here you can choose ones that come preloaded with the phone, just tapping on them. Or you can also choose from your photo library, ones that, let's say, you have downloaded, like I did. You just select it. Okay, and tap on Set Wallpaper. As you can see, now we have a new wallpaper. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.